Hello, beauty junkies. Today, I want to show you something really, really cool. A cordless curling wand. Woo! Am I kidding? No, I am not. Come test it with me. Hello, beautiful people. This is Nika, and you're watching Love for Beauty. Okay, let's open the box. She's a beauty. Now, if you want to support the fam, click that like button, click that subscribe button, and don't forget the bell so you know when my next freaking creation is out. Include your friends so they can join the fun. And if you need a free consultation, drop me a comment or shoot me an email. Now, let me tell you, this beauty comes in white and black. It uses a lithium-ion battery and the charge lasts about 35 to 40 minutes. The cool part is you can use it while plugged in, so don't worry if you run out of battery. I think this is pretty awesome. Let's move on. This beauty has a 1-inch titanium barrel, and the great part about titanium is that heat distributes very evenly on it, so there will be no cold spots on your iron to worry about. You can turn your Belisa on and off from this button, and then you can control your temperature using these two buttons. This is a minus and a plus, so you can either hold it up until you reach your desired temperature, or you can just press it shortly and then it will do micro adjustments. Here we have an indicator for the temperature in your battery. This one will show you the current temperature that the iron is at, and it will also show you when it reaches the desired temperature. And this side will show you the level of battery that you have left. There's a really cool feature on this wand. You can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius mode, and you can do that by pressing those two buttons, the plus and minus, at the same time. So see, now we are in Fahrenheit, and when you press those two buttons together, it goes to Celsius mode. You have the little digital screen that shows you the level that your battery is at, and when the battery runs out of power, the screen would start flashing and the wand would shut off automatically. So you just have to watch your indicator to know where your battery is at, and if you need to plug it in case you're not completely done with your hairstyle. But I love the fact that it has an indicator. Another cool feature of this wand is if you are using it while plugged in, it will automatically turn off in 1 hour and switch into charging mode. I think this is great for safety. I'm already loving this one, but let me give you the cons. First one is it heats up really slow. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes for it to heat up, even when plugged in. That really isn't a con for me. It doesn't bother me. I can just turn it on and just go do something while it's heating up. But I just thought that's a helpful information and you should know about it. The other con is that it takes 2.5 to 3 hours to charge. That definitely is not a deal breaker to me, especially since you can use it while plugged in. But if I'm working and I have multiple females that need their hair curled, I would definitely use a backup. Now let's heat this baby up and I will demonstrate and curl my hair with it. I just did a simple blowout on my hair right now. I just turned it on. Still not done. It's okay. It's okay. I will use this time to prep my hair with my favorite dry shampoo from It's already giving me some volume. I am loving it. I don't want to curl my hair now. but I will. Let's see how far along we are with the process. Woo! It is done! Finally! Okay, I will use this clippy to section my hair a little bit. I'm gonna curl this whole side so I can show you. Here we go. It has this pretty rose gold barrel that I'm really like fond of because I'm a huge fan of rose gold. Here we go. I have to say, this is pretty cool, especially for a battery operated 400 Fahrenheit, which is really surprising that it works so good. Normally I use 450 even on my hair, but this is pretty impressive. Let me get the next section here. I gotta tell you one thing though. No cord is so cool. Not having the restriction of the cord is freaking amazing and liberating. It makes styling, especially on your own hair, so much easier. And look at those curls, guys. That is pretty cool. I love the surface. It's pretty slippery, which I really like, so the hair literally slides off. I am loving this wand. It's incredible. I was so impatient to show you how this works that I didn't section my hair that well. But if you want to see a video on exactly how to curl and section your hair, drop me a comment and I will make one for you. Okay. Look at this perfect curl, guys. It's incredible. I have to say, I definitely feel a little bit of heat coming through the handle while holding it, but it's nothing crazy. I'm just letting you know. I'm giving you all the info, okay? Full disclosure. I still have more than half of the battery left. Pretty impressive. I've been also talking, you know, pausing this video, adjusting in between, and it wasn't absolutely fully charged either. I do this for work, so I don't really use a glove, but of course you're welcome to use one. It does not come with one, so you have to buy one separately or use one that you already have. Okay, I will let these curls cool off a little bit and I will curl this side. Now here comes the cool part. No cord. Let's see if I can do this with my left hand. Guess what? It's easy breezy because there is no cord. This is amazing. Okay, my battery is getting pretty low right now, but it was not fully charged in the beginning. I just couldn't wait to show it to you. I have like one more little section to do. I think I'm gonna make it. We did it, we did it. Now I'm gonna brush through these curls. These are already cooled off, so I'll just brush through them with my fingers. And I have to say, this is amazing. I thought the 1-inch barrel would be way too thin, but this is incredible. Look at this curl. I love it. This is beautiful. Let's see what happens here. And remember, left hand here, left hand. This is amazing. Obviously for more loose curls, you can hold it less. For tighter curls, you can hold it longer. But oh my gosh, this is incredible. I am very impressed. Now I'm just gonna set it with some hairspray. Amazing. I will curl the back real quick. I have not plugged it in, guys, just to let you know. I'm using whatever I have left from the battery. That's what happens when you can't see and when you don't use a glove. Alright, I think my back side is curled. This is still not flashing. It's to the last little like mark of the battery, and it was used on its highest temperature, which is 400 Fahrenheit. But I still have charge. The iron is still pretty hot. Oh, okay, it's flashing now. Well, it was flashing. Now it's not flashing at all. Now it's completely off. So I am going to plug it in. I'm going to slip the silicone sleeve on, and I'm going to let it charge. Again, I was really excited to show you this curling wand. So my battery was not 100% charged. The more I use it, and in a few weeks, I will update the description box below and give you more details in case there's something that I didn't notice or I didn't mention today. But I have to say, this is pretty cool for a cordless wand. I think you should get it. I mean, how could you not? By the way, it is on sale right now at Kohl's for $66. What? Like, you have to go get it, because the original price is $110 at the Lunata website. So run to Kohl's. This is incredible. I am pretty pumped. I do not regret this purchase, and I'm definitely keeping this styling tool. I think it's gonna become one of my favorite tools. This is awesome. So let me show you. While it's charging, the indicator shows CHR for charging, and when it's full, it displays full FUL. So overall, I would say Belisa from Lunata is an amazing cordless curling wand. The freedom from the restriction of the cord is amazing, and only that is enough to make me purchase this iron. That was actually the reason I went for it. I didn't really need one, and also the discount at Kohl's. That was just, how could you pass? How could you pass? But now that I'm trying it, you know, it makes these incredible curls. I am in love. And I think that titanium barrel makes a difference for being evenly heated. I probably wouldn't recommend it for professionals unless you only have 1 or 2 clients with some gap in between. Even though you can use it plugged in, it kind of loses its purpose of being a cordless wand, but you can still absolutely use it. I would say have a backup just in case, to be on the safe side. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like it, subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos for you. And please let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. If you want to follow me on social media, you can find me on Instagram at Makeup Nika Geneva and on Facebook as Nika Geneva Makeup and Hair. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. I will be back here next Thursday at 5 p.m. Central and 3 p.m. Pacific. Now, go get this cordless wand, which is charging right now. Go get those beautiful curls and look in the mirror. You are beautiful.